Hello everybody. Today I unbox a vacuum for you to see how does this look like. This is a Hoover vacuum. Wind tunnel 2, breathe 1 pack, bagless upright. So you don't need to buy a bag like my old vacuum. This is 25 feet cord rewind, automatically retract in second. Okay, let me open the inside for you to see, and let me go straight to unboxes. So then I'm going over the outside of the box later, in case some of you just want to see the inside. You don't want to go over the outside the box. So let's take a look, a quick look. Yeah. Now let's unbox it. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. It's just a smell. I don't know. It looks like a shoe, a baby shoe. Just only extra does. Okay. Yeah. Alright, let me take all of them out and then we go over it later. Now, the most important thing here. That's it, no more. Let's move this for a little bit down. Okay. Done. I think this one I'm not sure how does this use. Okay, let me take a look at the booklet. The outer manual. Let's see what they have to say. Okay, I got this one. I got this. I got this. think these two. It's just I missed something. You know what? Even though it's mixed some stuff, I'm unable to return because I bought it almost 6 months. I haven't opened it yet because I got the roaches last night, so I have to you know, unbox all I have, all the stuff I have, and then throw away the box because these box kind of smell, make my house smell too. And I got some groceries last night. Run around to snap it. So that's why I have to unbox now. But you know what? If I miss something, I don't think I can return it because the store they allow you 90 days, I think. Some store allow you 90 days, some is 30 days to return. So if you buy the stuff, new stuff, unbox right away and throw out the cotton box, because if you keep in your house, you might be guess that your house kind of smell. Plus you possible got roaches later because I think the box is somehow. But my advice, when you buy the stuff, new stuff, go home, unbox, throw away the box right away. Otherwise you get a mess like I have right now. I have to clean up all stuff. Okay, let me see. Okay, I got this. I got this. And I got this. I don't know. I don't remember this one. Okay, let me go a little bit over with this bag, and you can see the outside here. There's a Hoover Winter 2 Rewind Pass Bagless Upright Never Drop Core Again. Some word here I unable to read. And you see the picture here. The lady, she walking. Rewinds in seconds. Here a little dog, Labrador Retriever yellow lab. Then this is a pectorable tools. I think this is just one. In pack unholstery tools. Oh, the shoe. I told you, this like the baby's shoe. Next, Cree-wise tools. The long one. I think I missed some. This right. This one should have something too. It's inside here. There's attached like this, and you have to pull it out. So it's rolled over like this. Next, that's in this side. And how about this one? This side, same thing. That's the cold and the Hoover Advantage reusable easy rise filter. Convenient bottom release cup. Get a hassle-free clean without getting your hands dirty. Outdoor absorbing filters. Filters made with HEPA media and an outdoor absorbing carbon layer. Pack 2 Turbo 2 Pack Untold Story 2 Quick-wise tools and extension 1. Performance here. Wind tunnel 2 technology create 2 channels of suction to fill and remove the surface depressed and deep down embedded blur from the air path and with no loss of suction. In here the small word you see what's this that? That is per IEC 60312 1-11 first edition. Clause 5.9 test results within accepted variable tolerance of 5%. Accessory tools. Attention 1 quick-wise tools, 1 pack turbo 2, 1 pack upholstery 2. In California Proposition 65 warning, Proposition 65 blah blah blah. Warning, cancer and reproductive harm. In the website advertising blah blah blah. And this one is made in China, 2018 oil resort, this blah blah blah. OH by 70830DI who will continue make improvement to its products. The appearance of the products inside may differ slightly from the photo depicted on the carton. Hoover Bagless. That's it. This is same thing. This is the same thing with the another side I show you on the bottom. This is smell the box. Welcome to the new generation of clean. As you enjoy your products, connect with us, share your experience. Facebook, Twitter, I don't know. 5 star. Yeah. Do you believe in the Wi-Fi? This star? Reusable easy rinse filter. Regularly rinse the filter under running water for long-lasting use. Current contains this, and this. This is when you took it out and used attach the one I just showed you. So this and a nail, I think, and the baby shoe. Yeah, and the handle, walking base, handle, walking base, pack turbo 2, quick-wise 2, D and E extension 1, this one extension. In pack upholder story tools F for this one, the little shoe screw for assembly, the cup, this one. Visit Hoover.com for additional parts and accessories. Remove all parts from carton and identify each item's shown. Make sure all parts are located before disposing of your packing material. Varies per model. Okay, that's it. Now we install it. Into walking base, push down firmly. That's this one. And then how anything like this. That's all. Right? Firmly. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, fasten screw behind handle into vacuum base. The one I just and Philip screwdriver. I think I have to go grab the new one. This I think is right here. I got the wrong one. This one had 4 sides, but I got this one. Can I do it? Okay, anyway, I do this the temporary. I go to grab the one with the 4 sides to tighten them later. But now I show you, see the little bit. Anyway, let me go to finish up. So before I go to stuff. Okay, I'm back. Now, let me fasten them. Your cup into vacuum. The cup is a CQ when you hear a click. So this is the dirt cup. And how I do now? Can you see it now? Okay. Excuse me. Here, next, position tools, CQ powered hand tool clip A, over reach on the side of handle, attach bottom of power hand tool and peel into clip in until secure. Is this one? Yeah. Position tools. Next, place the screw tool into one inside into 2 storage area on the left back side. Of vacuum and place upholstery tools on the right back side of vacuum as so. I think so. No, let me see. CQ power hand tool clip A, power hand tool clip, that's D. This one, I think that's it. Attach bottom power hand tool and fuse into clip until secure. Now one set blade silver tool, that's E, that's one, into one, and slide into 2 storage area on the left back. That's one already done. Have vacuum in place, upholstery, yeah. This one, that's the baby tool. On the right side. pieces like this. Okay. That's it. And now, and next, I will show you how to look the vacuum. I will show you how to use it later. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. Hello everybody. I'm back. Now I will record a video to show you how this vacuum work. This is okay, and let's see. Okay. Here the vacuum. Here's the core. Let me pull out the core. And where is the electric outlet? Okay, let's see. Haha. This high. 2, 1 is half floor. So I put this the carpet. So I put the number 2. Let's see. And where is the power? Oh, in the back right here. So that's in the you have to turn the power up outside. The one where I just show you. Now let's I put the clothes to the carpet so you easy for you to see how is the vacuum. I'm wondering, can you see this is a dirty here? But remember, let's see. Can you see it? Oh, no, it's out. Let's see. Can you see? I have. Okay, now let me make the clothes vacuum so you can see it's better than the one I just showed you. Kind of little flat, you cannot see all of them. You see there's a dirt here, here, here. Let's see. Once again, you have to, yeah, that's the power button. Carpet so dirty. Anyway, yeah. Now I need to turn it off. It's right there. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. Next, I'm going to show you another stuff. Oh, this is what oh, yeah. You want to take this out. You can pour this. Now, let me try the baby shoe. Not the baby shoe, use this one first. Okay, now see over the corner here. You see it? Okay. Let's see. Try another one. This with the let me try this. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Let's see it. Let's see what happened. Okay, first you have to turn on. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye. I tried to working with the baby shoe. I call it the baby shoe. So you have to but first I have to place this in here, and that's I turn on the vacuum.